Hi, I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. I'm here with Greg today. We're going to be talking about some new products we're bringing to market. Greg, what do we got?
We're going to be talking about some cowl end seals today. We have a couple of different styles.
First one we're going to talk about is a 2011 and up Toyota Sienna. Our part number is CES 324011. Greg, what makes this a good candidate for replacement?
Upon removal of these cowl ends, this foam acrylic tape gets compromised. We've included that in our part, just like the OEMs. We've also included this foam insulator for anti-rattle. And then our attachments are in the OEM locations.
Next up, we have the 2014 and up Toyota Tundra Sequoia. Our part number is CES 272314.
The reason we're reproducing these cowl ends is the common occurrence of the OEM parts. Upon removal, that these retention pins get damaged, which is a very important part of holding this part into the vehicle. We've also included, just like the OEM, this retention ledge that gets caught under the fender.
The last one we have is 2017 and up Subaru Impreza. Our part number is CES 4417.
The reason we're reproducing these cowl ends is because of the 4 retainers that get caught underneath the fender. Sometimes those break off upon removal. And just like OEM, we include the clip that retains this cowl end into the main cowl body.
Please check our new products tab on our website as we're constantly adding new parts.